Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power. Remove batteries or switch off the breaker feeding the clock to prevent shorting. Next, remove any decorative cover or bezel. Use a flat screwdriver gently to pry tabs and keep the parts organized. Once done, support the clock with one hand while loosening the mounting screws with the correct driver because the mechanism can fall and bend contacting pins. Be efficient, work steadily, not hurriedly, so you preserve the clock's alignment and avoid scratching the wall. With the face removed, you'll reach the mounting plate and motor housing, remove screws and slide the assembly outward. When you see wires or a ribbon, depress the locking tab and pull the connector straight. Do not tug the wires themselves because that can tear them. If the motor is press-fit, rotate slightly while pulling to free it. Make sure to observe gear placement and take a quick photo for reference, so reassembly is straightforward, and you understand why each component sits where it does. After removing the mechanism, clear debris and inspect the hole or anchor. Repair plaster or replace a stripped anchor before mounting a new unit because a loose clock will repeat problems. If the clock fails to run when reinstalled, test batteries and check motor continuity with a multimeter. Replace the motor if open circuit is found. Finally, reassemble by reversing steps, aligning orientation marks you made earlier. If something binds, stop, adjust alignment, and retest. Forcing parts causes permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.